Hello friends, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing okay. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Nigerian akara, also known as beans cake, a delicious and traditional recipe widely enjoyed across Nigeria. So to begin with, I measured out 2 cups of beans. You can use any type of beans available to you, but in this video I used the traditional moi beans, the traditional moi or akara beans. Feel free to use whichever type you have. The akara will still turn out perfectly. Next, I soaked the beans in water for about an hour. This is to help soften the beans and make it easy for me to remove the skin. After soaking, I proceeded to wash off the skin of the beans. I went ahead to blend the beans. You need only small amount of water while blending the beans, just enough to help the blender work smoothly. So you need to have or blend with a very good grinder, or grind with a very good grinder, which is why I'm grateful for my Kentucky grinder or blender. Very smooth. I roughly chopped some pepper and onions to give the beans a rich flavor, that's authentic akara flavor. I set aside. Then I pour the blended beans into a mortar because I'll be using mortar to achieve the traditional texture, beans texture. But if you don't want to use your mortar in doing this, you can equally use if you have a hand mixer, you can use a mixer. Even your egg whisker is just for you to incorporate air into the beans to loosen the beans a bit. When I've done this to my satisfaction, I added some salt to taste and the chopped onions and the pepper. I mixed everything together. And went ahead to pour in some oil in a frying pan. You need a lot of oil for this so that the akara needs a lot of oil when you're frying it. So when the oil has gently heated up, I went in and started frying the akara in batches. And while frying, you don't have to over put the akara in your frying pan. Just do that in batches so that the akara will, if you put too much, the akara will soak oil because they will not get the heat distribution will be reduced. So you guys, the delicious akara is ready. So don't forget to like this video, drop a comment and subscribe for more traditional recipes on this channel. I love you guys. See you in my next video.